Look what I have. October Allure box. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel, Subbox Sandy. Thank you so much for watching my channel and subscribing and hitting the like button. The algorithm for YouTube really likes, that you hit that like button for me. So thank you. I appreciate it if you do that. Anyways, I'm really excited to show you this box. This one is the Allure, and I'll unpack it here for you. I did go over it a little bit because I like to get a price point for you of what the value is of it and what you pay. So everything I do here is just because of the love of beauty and skincare. I just really enjoy doing this YouTube channel. Anyways, here is the box, and it's quite full. You get a lot of products. I believe there's one, two, three, four, five items that are full size, and you get three sample size. So we'll go over this. I did want to tell you a little bit about the Allure box. It is a subscription. You can subscribe to it on a monthly basis every 3 months, or you can do an annual subscription where you save the most money. If you do the monthly, you pay $29.95 or $29.99, and this month they actually have a special. So if you are not subscribed and you are not getting the Allure box, if you join right now, you get this box for $10, which is unbelievable. When you go on the AllureBeautyBox.com website, not the Allure website, but the AllureBeautyBox.com website, you enter in the code beauty in all capital letters, beauty, and it'll automatically register you, and then you fill out some information, and you'll get this box, which I have placed out for $168 worth of product. You actually get this box for $10, which is amazing. I don't know any other place where you can get a deal, like that. But anyways, after your first month subscription and whatever special they have going on with that, you also um, you can do a 3 month, which it works out to, if you prepay for 3 months, it comes out to, instead of $29.99, it comes out to $26.33. And then if you go an annual and you pay ahead for 12 months, that knocks that $30 box amount down to 23.92, so like $24 a box. So you're getting like $6 off a box every month. So that's a really good deal. And then you multiply that times your 12 months, so you're looking at what is that, $72 that you're saving if you pay the year ahead. So anyways, let's get to this. And the first item is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Brow Wiz eyebrow pencil, and you got to pick which, this was our choice item of what color we had wanted. And I had picked the dark brown, but there was also taupe, soft brown, medium brown, and dark brown. So there was a choice of 4 different colors that you could pick for your eyebrows. And I just decided to play it safe and go with the dark brown on my eyebrows. So this product here is a full size. This runs $26, and this alone almost pays for the whole box. So, and if you get the box, it's gonna definitely pay 26, and you're paying 10 for the box. Anyways, so that's our first product. The second product that we have is Nelastin, and this is the most expensive product in the box. This is a lash follicle fortifying serum. It has peptides, hydrating glycerin, and keratin to help strengthen the hairs of your eyelashes. And they say to use it twice a day for 6 weeks, and you are going to see results. Some people say they see within a week results of using the eyelash serum, and this is sealed, so I'm not going to break this seal. They're typical. They all have just like the tiny little it's a wand and it has just the tiny hairs, you know, to get into your lashes. So this retails for $84, and I believe it. New Laston's a very, very expensive brand, and their products, I hear and read reviews that they all work excellent. So what a nice product to have. This is an $84 product. So we're already over $100 just in the first two products of value. And the third item is, oh, and this isn't a full size, but it's a good travel size, you know, for you to take away for a weekend or, you know, a couple, you know, 3, 4 days away. So this is the Color Wow Color Security Shampoo. So that was four, excuse me, that was four full size and then four of the deluxe sample travel size that we're getting. So this product is, I have it priced out around $8. Let me check what the retail on the full price is for Color Wall. I've used Color Wall. We've actually gotten this in some other boxes of Allure, and what a great brand. I believe they are a brand new brand that started within the last year, and I love it. Everything I've tried so far has been incredible by them. And this retails for $24 for 250 milliliters. This is a 75 milliliters. So I put this at around $8 worth of product. So, and it's shampoo, so it's probably gonna last a while. It's a pretty decent size shampoo. And let's look at what the fluid ounces are on it. 2.5 ounces on that. And then we also have Ofra. This is a black eyeliner, stick eyeliner, and this is one that you sharpen. So I'm assuming it's a, you know, it's a wooden pencil, and that's good. So not much to show you there as far as, I'm sure it works well. I like Ofra. They're nice, and this retails for $13. Number 5 is Realer. This is, I am going to show you this one. I am going to open this one up because it looks a little scary. I'm like, who wants to put this on your lips? But it's actually a pH formula. This is called Realer Magic Black to Pink Watery Lip Stain. And it has pH reactive formula, and it goes from a gray to a pink based on your pH. And so I'm going to open this and get this open for us and see what this is like. So I've seen other videos on this, and it does change according to your pH. And I just want to see if my color of my pH is going to turn out. My pH is the same as others. So it's got some glitter to it, if you can see that. And it looks black, but they say it goes on like a gray. And so let's try this here. And it's pretty gooey. Let's look here. And I don't notice any scent. And so let's see what this is like. And I'm going to turn up that light to see what happens. So it does go on like a gray. And let's see if it, how much it changes and how fast it changes. Let's look at that. So we'll check on that in a little bit and see how that works. Okay. And so anyways, so this retails, this is the full size, this retails for $24. And now we're getting into some of the smaller sample size. This I have priced out at about $5. This is the Sephora brand Super Brightening Serum. It has 7% vitamin C, and it has vitamin E in it. And so anytime you use the vitamin C, it's really good. It helps brighten your skin up, and it's very, very healthy for your skin. So it's like an antioxidant layer, you know, against the world and all the pollution. You know, it's just a really good vitamin, you know, to put onto your skin. So I have this priced out at around, based on what the full size is, I have it priced out about $5 for this. And we have a fragrance in here by a luxury um, perfume maker, and this is called the Toka, is the brand, Layla Eau de Parfum. So this, you can't get any stronger. The Eau de Parfum is the strongest that you can get. So it's more concentrated, it lasts longer on your skin, and therefore it's the most expensive. So we received a 1.5 milliliter sample of the Toka Layla, and this is to be sweet and sophisticated gourmand scent, top note of a splash of citrus initially, and then it settles into a creamy vanilla and earthy amber. And so I have to be leery with perfumes because for like the last 20 years, I've been getting like, I start sneezing and something inside my body has built like some allergy to some perfume. And I'm not saying to this, but I actually spritz just a tiny bit and a little, oh my gosh, you can't even tell I touched this. Um, I literally, it was drops of this. It sprayed, and you could tell like hardly anything, and I just a tiny bit to see, and it's a wonderful. What you can tell, it's a very nice perfume, and it did dry down to that vanilla amber, but initially it does have this kind of burst. It opens up with a burst of citrus to it. And so it's not personally a scent for me, but you can tell it's a very nice scent to have, you know, very good perfume. So that was, I had that at roughly this cost. It's such an expensive parfum. This retails for $86 for 50 milliliters, which is less than 60 milliliters, is 2 ounces of perfume. So this is $86 for 50 milliliters. So you're looking at basically 2 ounces of it, you know, around $100. And so very expensive, very nice luxury, you know, perfume to have. And so the last item is a sample, a 2-strip of the My Smiles, 2 treatments of the My Smiles teeth whitening strips. And the full size is a 21 strip box. That 21 treatments runs $45.99, so $46. And so they gave us 2 to try out to see if we like it, if our teeth, you know, are too sensitive to it, or if it works out well and they work well, you know, and they do what they're supposed to, which is whiten our teeth. And so you get 2 treatments, and so I have this priced out around $5 based on the price of the 21 treatments. So with that, this box I have retails at $168 worth of product. I paid the $29.99 for the monthly, and here's the products. Then you get your teeth whitening strips. We have the Toka Parfum, Eau de Parfum in Layla. We have the Sephora. We have Ofra Eye Pencil. We have the Color Wow Color Shampoo for, oh, what is it called? The Color Security Shampoo. We have the Realer Magic, you know, black to pink watery lip stain. And let's see how that's looking. And it's looking pretty pink, I would say. So it actually turned out pretty nice. It's not too light. I thought it would be lighter, that you could barely see it. So that's nice to have. And then the new Lastin, which was the most expensive. So that's your lash serum. And then the Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is a wonderful product, wonderful brand. I absolutely love this brand. And so to have that in the brow pencil um, is perfect. So great box, another great box by Allure every month. I look forward to this box. Every box I get is really nice from them. So I enjoy that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy watching Allure October box with me. Thank you. Bye.